Hi, this is Kendra from Pencil and Pigment, and today is my Monday Plan With Me video, and we are going to see all the videos I have planned for the week. Let's get started. I am using a Micron 05 in blue black. This one has a really nice nib. Some of my other ones need assistance, so I just went with this color. And blue's always a great choice. I hope you can see that. Alright, so Tuesday is my Art Around the World, and I am doing indigenous groups all around the world, so that is going to be awesome. A different country each Tuesday. And then Wednesday, I want to try something I've never done before, and that is sketchbook binding. I don't know if this is just going to be like a preliminary sort of fact-finding mission where we figure out... I apologize. One of my neighbors has a fun vehicle. If we find out just sort of different bindings that are the easiest to do, and we look at my supplies, or if I actually like try my hand at it. I know it looks like very precise precision work, so I definitely need to do a little bit of research to feel comfortable with something I've never done before. Thursday will be my Draw With Me. Grab a sketchbook and join me in illustration. Friday, I want to take another look at watercolor powder. I want to try again. Take two. The first time was a huge fail. I'll link it in the description box. Sometimes I mean well and my execution is all wrong, but I have an idea and I don't want to pre-try anything that isn't on camera so we can learn together in real time. So I have some other supplies I want to try because an idea came to me. So I want to try that again. Okay, and then Saturdays are my day off. And then Sunday is going to be another no-buy art supply in-depth topic. And yeah, this is one that is going to sort of be centered around being a YouTuber and moving forward and things like this into, you know, next year and the year after and being thoughtful and things. So I thought I would just, I don't know, I have nothing planned. Hi, welcome to Monday in November. You know, let me think of something. Sometimes I have things planned out and sometimes I have nothing planned, and sometimes I just wake up and I record a video and I'm not fully awake yet. So yeah, there's always that option. I don't know. Some days are tough. Some days are tough. So I think I'm just going to draw something that shouldn't be in this color, and that'll be fun. Maybe I'll just add a little watercolor to it because this paper is such a joy with watercolor. Anyway, how's your Monday going? Are you awake? You know, where I live, we do daylight savings time. I will link articles about it, but we fall back in the winter and just bring forward an hour in the summer. And I know not everyone does this. Even where I live, not everyone does this. So yeah, it always kind of just throws me. Everything kind of throws me just a little bit. So yeah. Alright. And I think you can kind of see what I'm drawing. You know, a little bit. And it shouldn't be this color. So flamingos are only pink because of the food they eat. It turns them pink, but otherwise they're a white bird. But you never see them white because of all the shrimps. The shrimps make them pinkies. And you know, if you turn the color of the food you ate Wouldn't that be wild? I'd be a green grape. Okay. Fun fact. I love green grapes. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing. We're just gonna go full fuzzball, I guess. I don't know. This always reminds me of that, like 1960. What year did that come out? 1949. It's older. It's that Alice in Wonderland cartoon. The book was written by Lewis Carroll. And they play croquet with the flamingos. They like flip them around and make them hit the croquet balls with their beaks. It's so wild to me. Oh, that's such a wild cartoon movie. I'll link it. I do believe it's older though. It's not new. I have read the book. It follows fairly closely the book. Some things they did change. In the book, it's just sort of like her neck and head that get bigger, not her whole body, which is fascinating. I think the thing that's like the most fun about flamingos is like their wild legs. We'll have to give this one some wild legs. Yeah, maybe I'll do birds again in December. I haven't really decided what my December plans are, but it's a thought. And this one will have a leg up. Sometimes they put a leg up. They're just relaxing. They like fold a leg in and then, you know, the foot kind of comes out. So this one's getting ready to fold a leg in. It looks so awkward. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I didn't mean it. Okay. I have some of my Winsor Newton Cotman. Let's continue not to do colors we should be doing. That's my idea of a good time. And let's see. Let's do a little bit of burnt sienna, which is right here. And I haven't activated these at all. Normally I let a little water sit. These are going to take like a full week to to dry, just because welcome to November. It's cold and wet. It's rainy. We had some wild hail last night that just sounded like rocks hitting the roof. It was big and clumpy. And you know, I kind of want to add a little bit of blue. I'll go with ultramarine since that's on camera and you can see that. What a fun bird. My legs! Ah! Anyway. They're a lot of fun. I like pink animals in nature. It's always those bright colors you have to watch out for though. That's one of those things, you know, you see something blue in nature and it typically means it's poisonous, like the blue morpho butterfly or the poison dart frog. Or so apparently my little flamingo guy here is super poisonous. So watch out. Don't touch him. And if you have the chance today, definitely look up flamingo flying because it looks so wild. Every time you see photographs or see them at the zoo or in nature, at least where I live, they are grounded. They are not in flight. So to see them fly in like a video looks absolutely wild. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.